Sense. American Girl Christmas tree. It was a crappy day, raining all day long, but this yard sale saved the day. Stay tuned.
That long. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good, thank you. How about yourself?
Doing good.
Glad the rain's holding off.
It's coming this way, though.
Give me 4 hours, I'll be good.
There you go.
Straight up.
What we got here?
I guarantee my mom's been collecting Mockingbird and Bear Bradley for years, so more stuff I'm sure will come out.
I don't think so, but give me a couple of days.
You have more to thank.
People want to buy the
25 cents.
A lot of stuff that we're still going through, so.
25 cents, Care Bears.
You know us.
Okay.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Sesame Street. Care Bear. Turtles. Young readers. One thing people pass up all the time at garage sales is children book sets. Children book sets can bring really good money, especially if they're vintage. So always keep an eye out and look them up. Do you know what these book sets are from?
Maybe one more?
Yeah,
One more?
so.
I was trying to see online, but I can't.
They're like early readers from like the 90s.
Okay.
From Mickey Mouse and Winnie the Pooh for like kids and stuff.
96, yeah.
Very old.
Yeah. I saw you guys have a bunch of Ninja Turtle books. Do you guys have any of the toys or anything, Ninja Turtles?
No.
No.
That we don't have.
Well, I saw the old books. I'm like, I had these as a kid. I know you have 12 on one, you have 20 on the other. Would you do a bundle deal if I buy them both? Do you consider 10 a piece for them?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I just make a little pile here.
Yeah, you want it back?
Yeah. These two books were in the free pile front there, so.
Yeah.
But there was a couple other ones there. One of the biggest mistakes people make at garage sales is they pass up Christmas items because it's not Christmas time. Christmas items sell all year round, so don't pass them up when you see a good deal.
Say it again.
Any more Disney stuff?
Hannah,
We have a Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse toy over here, but
I got a bunch of poo plates.
I don't know. I guess
They're collectible things.
Yeah, Pooh is Disney.
Yeah, Winnie Pooh is Disney.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad you guys are open right now because I have not found many yard sales today.
Yeah, the rain probably didn't help.
No, not at all, man.
I mean, it's the only day in this year it's gonna rain all weekend. Oh well.
What's the backstory on these?
They are just little bear dolls.
It's Fisher
I don't
first one.
think They're
Late 90s.
yeah, early early 2000s.
Yeah.
I don't think they're anything like known or collectible.
Yeah. Who's the basket collector?
My mom.
Your mom? Any more purses? Like I saw that one there.
Nothing like Junie Burke.
Yeah.
No, just like little stuff.
I think it was like three and 50 cents. What are these? Oh, coasters?
Yeah, so that's Lagenberger.
Yeah.
Cookies. Just cookies. That one
Oh,
sitting out.
oh, that's what they look like?
Uh-huh.
Gotcha.
How could you sell real gold in a garage sale?
I think they're thinking like different carat stuff.
What they're looking for is like people that have like
Yeah, don't know what,
broken jewelry, or like that's what
don't
they're kind
know
of like.
what you got. But
Yeah.
You're better off taking that down to a jeweler and saying, give me a price.
American Girl
Buy that shit
Christmas
in a
tree?
heartbeat. That's a Christmas tree for
American? Oh,
As you can see, we're into American Girl.
Just some collectors in the days.
Do you have any more American Girl doll stuff? Or is-
The bitty baby bed, the white bed right there next to it.
oh, there we go.
But other than that,
Oh,
no, not in this one.
Yeah.
All right, couple questions for you.
Alright.
Is that $7 just for the crib? You guessing that for the crib there?
Yeah, everything
Okay.
except for the file folders. But
Okay.
yeah, everything in
Okay.
it.
All right, and then the tree's $5.
Yep.
That looks like 500. That's I just.
Oh,
don't-
is it?
It looks like when you
I
look.
see that. No,
yeah.
God, no.
Okay.
Not selling anything in
Yeah.
here for
No. All right.
500.
I'll take the crib.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you?
Well, take 500.
Yeah. You would take 500 for?
250.
You take 250? Yeah. That's. You know what? Let me get my money out right now. I
That's a
can't.
deal.
That's a deal, man. I appreciate you working with me today. You know. All right.
Okay.
Let's see here. What would you want for the whole container? Our camera started to overheat here, and the footage started getting a little wacky. But just bear with us. It's going to go back to normal here in about a minute. Container, just
$10
beyond
for
10 bucks.
all of it. There's about 14
Okay.
in there.
All right, I'll do that.
There's shades and colors.
I'll do that, and then see what else. So for the coasters, you have the coasters. You have these ornaments here. It comes up to 26. Will you do 20 for those?
How about 24?
24. You know what? You've been good with me. I'll do 24. All right. What's my grand total here?
75?
Yeah, 70.
75?
There we go. 75.
As it spread out better before it started pouring down rain.
All right.
My wife says that phone's probably from the 40s.
Probably from the 40s.
Yeah.
Okay.
She
I'm gonna look at the tree. I would have no idea it was American Girl.
She's an American Girl.
No, I believe you.
And these guys just going to
That's what I'm saying. I would have walked right by if I didn't know it was American Girl until you told me. All right, I think I'll take that for $5, maybe. It's gonna bother me all day long unless I find out what year this thing's
Yeah, I'm
from.
going to have to let you work on it.
Do
It
you?
was my wife's father's.
Yeah, they're just in
He
the
was,
same thing.
I thought it had some. He was from railroad. I didn't know if it was.
The only thing is, there's no markings on it, so I tried to take a picture of it to
and
see if there's any
don't-
marking.
Didn't
Doesn't.
even come up on Google.
Well,
search.
it came up on Google search, similar ones, but with no information. It just says monogram phone.
It's Western Electric.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a cool. It's a super cool piece. I just have a thing for old phones. I don't know why.
I get it. Actually, my wife made me hang it in the laundry room one time.
Yeah,
Of course, I haven't had an actual house phone in 25 years.
I mean, most people don't. Yeah,
So
most people don't.
I'm
That's for sure.
I would imagine it still works. The phones work very similar to where they always have.
I wouldn't try to work it.
No, you want to try to work it?
Definitely gonna be a decoration.
Yeah, yeah. It's more of an accent
what-
piece.
I have
at this
one
time.
really similar. It was
Yeah.
my wife's father's. It was down in his
Well, I wouldn't.
man cave basement
Yeah.
years ago. When we,
But I tell you right now, it wouldn't surprise me if that phone worked because
Yeah.
the way they were made back
Oh,
then.
everything's built to last. Well, production over years, they build things cheaper because it's meant to break.
That's-
Back in the
That's right.
because of the war, because we had the depression, we had the wars. Everything was meant to last forever, so you guys wouldn't spend money.
Well,
Now
that
it's
was-
meant to.
See, that was. You're too young to remember this, but when you used to get a phone,
Yeah,
it wasn't yours.
yeah,
It belonged to Western Electric or Bell
Yeah.
System or whoever it was. And so if it broke, they had to come out and replace it.
Oh.
And they didn't want to do that.
So it's built to last.
Kids can't believe when we got a phone call when I was a little kid, it was 2 longs and a short. Because there was
Party line.
party line. And you could pick up, you had to pick up and listen to see if anybody's on it before you could call.
Yeah.
And
I'll take the tree. Would you do 15 for the phone by any chance?
Yeah, I'll do 20 for both.
Sorry, for both. All right.
Do that. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. I just know if I left and I didn't buy the phone, I would regret not buying the phone.
Yeah.
It's just super cool. What's this? Oh man.
Yeah,
Should not
sorry
lean
about-
down underneath that one, that's for sure.
Sorry about
No, it's not your fault. That's on me. What's the story with this chair?
Well, the chair is, I don't know if you're familiar with it. It's from Arkansas. There's a guy named Bump, Mr. Bump, that makes rockers. It's a sturdy chair, but the seat is woven, obviously, and it's had better days.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's one of my kids over the years.
What's the age on it, you know?
Huh?
What's the age on it?
Oh, shit. That's
It's got to be,
Yeah, what?
I was gonna say 70s, from the 70s maybe? 80s?
yeah, it was, yeah.
It's a cool little piece. Cool little rocking
Yeah,
chair.
it's a great little rocker. And I'll tell you right now, you can put a cushion on it.
Oh.
That rocker will be there when you and I are both there.
Yeah, I believe it, man.
It's all handmade.
It looks great quality.
They're all fitted. And, you know, he was a craftsman, as it were.
Good, sir.
My mom was a big fan of his. So I think she bought it for one of my early kids. Yeah.
What was his name?
Daniel Bump, according to this.
Oh,
Dallas Bump, I'm sorry.
Dallas Bum? I'm gonna Google him.
1918 to 2016 of Bear, Arkansas.
Yep, Bear, Arkansas.
How do you suppose that's in B-U-M?
B-U-M-P.
P. He immigrated from France.
Huh?
He immigrated from France.
Didn't know that.
What a weird place to go from France straight to
I'll tell you
Arkansas.
something, Bear, Arkansas. You got to be going there.
I love stories like that, though.
Yeah, it's a cool story, actually.
He's a
you know?
4th generation cheermaker
Yeah.
called Lost Art Press is the business now.
Yeah, it's completely handmade. There ain't no,
Yeah.
there's no machine part.
They started building chairs in 1870.
That's about right.
Wow. Yeah, I want to buy it, but I got no place for it. I'm like, it's just cool, you know what I mean? I don't want to leave it behind.
I get it.
That's a cool piece. Good luck on those, man. Let's talk about turning chicken shit into chicken salad, because that's how our day went. We woke up that morning, it was raining outside. We went to 4 or 5 different yard sales, and unfortunately, they were all closed. So it's amazing what you guys can find at yard sales if you have extra time to spend there. Since I knew we weren't going to another yard sale, we spent the extra time to dig down deeper, and we found a ton of stuff. I have no idea what this phone is worth. So if you guys, let me know in the comments down below if you guys know any information about this phone, what the potential value is, but I could not leave it behind for 15 bucks. Those Longaberger items or Christmas items, they're gonna sell. Some of those will put on Whatnot, some will put on eBay. Comes to that purse should bring us about 40, 50 bucks. It was a great pickup. That American Girl stuff was an amazing score. I know you guys are yelling at me and saying, hey, why are you buying a big item? That American Girl crib actually does fold up. You can actually pull it apart and it will fold up, so it won't take up a lot of room. That's the reason why I bought it. But sometimes you need to adapt and change when you run into situations. And the biggest mistake people make when it rains outside, they don't try to go yard sailing. They skip it, and this is when you find great deals like we did today. So keep that in mind, guys. We're gonna do 2 different Whatnots this week, guys, so come check us out. On Wednesday the 21st, we're gonna be doing an all Disney show, lounge flies, book bags, all kind of different collectibles. We'll have a couple pins in there, but it's gonna be a ton of different Disney items. And on Friday, we're gonna go back to our CSO, clearing stuff out, and we're gonna pull out some more totes from our storage. So make sure you guys don't miss it. I'll put a link down in the description down below. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.